Welcome to the massage series for posterior glutes and thigh. You're going to start your opening with 3 rounds of effleurage to cover the entire area. Make sure your gluteal drape is secure. Once you've finished the effleurage throughout the entire area, you'll focus on the gluteals. You'll move into a deep circular effleurage. Typically, you can use your open loose fist for this. Remember not to pull medially to laterally. We don't want to create too much space in the gluteal cleft and make the client uncomfortable. You're going to move into circular friction along the iliac crest. You can switch tools from fingertips to knuckles, whatever you're most comfortable with. After you've gone through your deep circular effleurage and circular friction, you're going to strip from the iliac crest inferiorly. Transition with effleurage. You're going to do deep effleurage to the hamstrings, abductors, and the IT band. Remember, these are broader muscles, so using an open loose fist is probably your best bet, or even a forearm. Then you're going to go into petrissage of the medial, posterior, and lateral thigh. You can do this with horizontal strokes or with circular petrissage. Or even open loose fist. And you'll transition with effleurage. This is where you can do your hip mobilizations, quad stretching, jostling. I demonstrated jostling. And then this is effleurage with fric vibration. Effleurage to transition into the leg. Open with effleurage, covering the entire area with broad palms. Then you'll move into handed petrissage, distal to proximal. If your hands are small like mine, you can move into more of a horizontal stroke petrissage. When you finish up with petrissage to the leg, you can move into stripping. Effleurage to connect the entire area. And do this 3 times to finish up with the leg. And you're ready to move on.